Now, how can you use the fitness app on your iPhone for running, right? Yeah, there is a fitness app which is built in, and in there you can track some information like the calories and exercise minutes, but it heavily depends on whether or not you have an Apple Watch with your iPhone. Because if you do, there is going to be much more information here because it just tracks and moves over the data captured by the watch. So all of the calories and exercise minutes, everything just gets synced here. Without the iPhone, you can only track the exercise minutes. I think it's only the calories or something very like surface level, like the steps taken or distance covered, but the information will be very limited. And you should know that this fitness application is only used to track recorded data, right? So you don't open this app up and start a workout. You can only browse the existing workouts. So in order to use this app for running, you can only import the running data from some other apps, right? So you can import it from the Apple Watch, or you can download like the Nike running app, and this can connect to the Apple Health, and it can actually move all of the data over to that application. So you can technically browse your sessions there as well. But generally speaking, this app is not used for starting a workout or starting a running workout, only to track the data. And in order to have some data available, again, as I said, ideally it would come from an Apple Watch, but you might also have some third-party apps on your phone which you use to track your running, like the Nike running, Adidas running, whatever else. And this, if it's connected to Apple Health, it means that the data gets synced in here. So yeah, this app is used to track the results and the data, not to directly capture it, but yeah, this is how it works. So I hope that makes sense. I tried to explain it in as clear of a manner as I could. So let me know below in the comments if you have some more questions about it. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.